Former Spartanburg County Sheriff Chuck Wright appeared in federal court this morning in Greenville. The judge and attorneys discussed the progress of the case and were asked if Wright stands by his guilty plea. 7 News' Ripley Simone was in that hearing.
All three defendants, Chuck Wright, Amos Durham, and Lawson Watson, appeared in court in Greenville Thursday morning at the request of a judge who wanted to seek clarity on where this case sits now and where it's headed. Inside the courtroom, Chuck Wright kept the same stoic demeanor you see him with as he entered the courthouse. He only spoke once when he and his co-defendants were brought in front of the judge. The judge asked all three men the same 6 questions, wanting to know if they fully understand what's happening and if they want to move forward with their guilty pleas. The judge did say he would allow them to reconsider, but they all stood by their guilty pleas and associated charges. Last October, Chuck Wright pleaded guilty to 3 federal charges. Count 1, conspiracy to commit theft concerning programs receiving federal funds. Count 2, for wire fraud conspiracy. And Count 3, obtaining controlled substances by misrepresentation. As part of Wright's sentence, he agreed to relinquish all law enforcement certifications and future opportunities to work in law enforcement in the U.S. Wright was accused of stealing money from the Sheriff's Office Benevolence Fund to purchase controlled substances. The former Spartanburg County Sheriff is also facing 65 state ethics charges, 2 involving the hiring of his son and 63 relating to the use of county funds for personal purchases. During Thursday's hearing, the judge also sought clarity on thousands of documents. 45,000 pages have been processed for the defense and prosecution. 4 were produced after the defendants pleaded guilty. 2 of them relate to Chuck Wright. The first being a whistleblower tip from someone at the Spartanburg County Sheriff's Office regarding credit card abuse and a connection to narcotics. The second was anonymous and referenced nepotism and credit card abuse. Wright faces up to 20 years in federal prison and hefty fines and restitution. After the hearing, we spoke with an attorney who represents Amos Durham, who said after the state provides a pre-sentence report, it'll be a 4 to 6 week process before they all face sentencing. In Greenville County, Ripley Simone, 7 News.
Former Spartanburg County Chaplain Amos Durham, former Spartanburg County Sheriff's Office employee Lawson Watson also pleaded guilty to federal charges. Durham faces up to 5 years in prison for conspiring with Wright to siphon public funds for their private use. Watson could face up to 20 years. The U.S. Attorney's Office says he got about $200,000 in pay and benefits for work he didn't do.